Hi, my name is Angel with SecureView Security Cameras Tampa, and I've been in the video surveillance business for over 2 decades, serving home and business owners in the Tampa Bay area with their security camera and security camera installation needs. Today, this evening, we're here in our security camera showroom. We have all kinds of security camera products, from turret dome security cameras to bullet style, NVR, recorders, hard drives, wire, anything that you would need for a professional security camera installation, we have it. If you need installation, we're here to help you with that too. Visit us in our store if you're located in Tampa. Our address is 6308 Benjamin Road, Suite 701, Tampa, Florida 33634. And if you're not in the Tampa Bay area, we do ship nationwide, guys. So visit us online at www.secureviewcameras.com. That's www.secureviewcameras.com. I just turned off the lights because I want you guys to take a look at our 5 megapixel AI security camera. This camera has a 2.8 millimeter lens. It gives you an ultra wide angle field of view. We're talking about more than wall to wall, guys. It gives you the flashing red and blue lights. It does two-way audio. You can talk through it. It has an SD card slot so that you could store up to 1 terabyte, which is 3 weeks to 4 weeks of video surveillance directly to the camera. It has a cloud option so that you could record to the cloud. Additionally, it works with our security camera NVR so that you could record 24/7 directly to the NVR for redundancy. Now, we have a few other options here, but this is my favorite option, guys. You just take a look at that picture. Let's take a look at how clear that night vision shot. It's a color night vision camera. And we're talking about, look how crystal clear. And that's the audible message. Right now we have it set to, when you come in and out of the door, that message is going to go off. It's set. I have it set all the time, but it could be placed on a schedule for you. So anytime someone comes in and out, it says that message so that people know that they're being recorded. I'll get out of the zone so it doesn't trip anymore. But as you can see, it's crystal clear at night, the same way it is during the day, in full color, because it's a color night vision camera. The other cameras here we have are a little bit higher resolution. We have 2 that are 8 megapixel cameras and another that's a 4. But the 2 8 megapixel cameras here, they don't have the two-way audio. But you'll really only need 1 or 2 that have the two-way audio, most likely, depending on your situation and particular setup. But so you can mix and match any of these cameras here, and you could have, let's say, one of these at your front door or your loading dock or facing the dumpsters to let people know that they're being recorded with the red blue lights and the sound, the audible message. So with the other cameras, you get a higher resolution, you don't get that two-way audio, and you don't get the flashing lights. And then if you're looking for something on the more economical side, we do have this 4 megapixel turret dome style camera, which is also a great option. And I'm going to just show you, I'm going to go through each of the cameras here so you could see what the difference is in quality. But I'll go to the lowest, more economical one here. Right now it is showing in full color. Take a look, it's showing in full color. It's a crystal clear image. It's really a great shot, and it also gives you that ultra wide angle field of view. Now, it does switch to black and white mode. Right now it's a little bit, we got the LED going from the other camera out here, the turret dome, which is the color night vision camera, and so that's helping give this camera here color. But with that off, it'll switch to black and white, but it's going to be a really crystal clear shot. Black and white, crystal clear shot. All the other cameras we have are color night vision though, so it's just another option. And they could all be, you can mix and match and have, on the 8-channel NVR, for example, you could have, 2 of these, 3 of those, and, a total of how many cameras you need for your setup. So visit us in our store. My name's Angel, and I'm here to help you with your security camera needs in the Tampa Bay area and nationally. If you need help with, if you're going to do it yourself, welcome. If you're a professional security camera installer, visit us on the website and fill out our wholesale dealer form for exclusive pricing. And if you need to purchase a product here, you want something higher end than these kits that you find at retail stores and Lorex and Samsung, and if you're looking for something that's not plastic, that's going to be a durable camera, the professional grade camera, but you don't want to break the bank, visit our website at www.secureviewcameras.com. We have financing options online, and we will get you set up with an installer in your area. If you're in there, if you're in Tampa, visit us here at our store, 6308 Benjamin Road, Suite 701, Tampa, Florida, 33634. And you can call and speak to me directly at 813-489-9332. Thank you.